Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best refrigerant recovery machine available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Hilmor Brushless DC Refrigerant Recovery Machine. Brushless DC motor technology makes this machine light but powerful digital LCD screen. LCD screen is accurate and easy to read, hands-free carry, built-in hoist points for easy carry and transport, convenient storage, features a power cord wrap making it simple and easy to store. At number 5 we have Robinair RG3 Portable Refrigerant Recovery Machine. Compact and lightweight, the RG3 features a 40% smaller footprint, is easy to carry, and weighs in at just 18 pounds for superior portability. High-efficiency cross-flow design features a fan and condenser layout that is optimized for shorter cycle times. At number 4 we have MasterCool 69000 Blue Refrigerant Recovery System. High-performance oilless compressor. High-volume cooling fan design. Automatic low and high-pressure cutoff switch. Liquid-compatible head valve system. Fully reinforced hard plastic mold. At number 3 we have Inficon Vortex Dual Refrigerant Recovery Machine. Includes Vortex Dual, shoulder strap, filter/dryer, detachable power cord. Achieve industry-leading recovery rates with a powerful 1 horsepower dual piston compressor. Microchannel condenser provides exceptional heat exchange in high temperatures. At number 2 we have Navic Recovery Unit. Brushless DC technology. Twin cylinder with 2-row oversized condenser for fast recovery. Purge function prevents mixing of various refrigerants. Oil-free compressor, suitable for all commonly used refrigerants. At number 1 we have Yellow Jacket 95730 LTE Refrigerant Recovery Unit. Half a horsepower, twin cylinder, oilless compressor for fast recovery of refrigerants including R410A. Lightweight at less than 25 pounds. System designed for high load conditions.